Today we will show you how to find bonus borrow items on Hoopla. For the month of November, you can browse and check out over 1,000 different items that won't count towards your monthly borrowing limits. These are called bonus borrows. We will show you how to find these items. First, if you haven't already done so, either download the app from your app store or head to the Hoopla website, www.hoopladigital.com. Either log in or sign up using your library card and email address. Once you've logged on, this is what the homepage will look like. On the app, select which collection you're interested in along the bottom. For example, you might want to browse videos, music, or books. For now, I'll stick with books. So along the top now, I can narrow down my search further by suggesting to the app that I'd like to either look at audiobooks, comics, or ebooks. So I'll stick with ebooks for now. Then we'll tap genres. So mine here is in the right-hand corner. Under top categories, we can select bonus borrows, November 2020. That will narrow down the collection to show only items that are part of the bonus borrows collection for November. On the website, you're looking for the word categories instead of genres to narrow down the search to browse the bonus borrows collection. So now once you're on this page, you can browse until you find a book that catches your eye. So maybe I'd like to read this Charles Dickens book, so I will click it. Now if you scroll down, you'll see that the written text reconfirms that this is a bonus borrows collection item. If that is what you'd like to read, you can click borrow and select borrow again. Now you'll notice if you go back to my Hoopla along the bottom, your monthly borrowed allowance of 7 titles each month has not gone down. Please enjoy Hoopla bonus borrows for the entire month of November.